G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Graham. Welcome to another Earth Moving Equipment magazine case study. And look, we've had an awesome opportunity to jump on the plane, fly up here to Brisbane and catch up with the guys from MGN Civil. We got Mick, how are you, bud?
Good, buddy, how are you?
Good to see you, mate, good to see you. And we got Guy, how are you, Guy?
Good, mate, yourself?
That's the way, perfect. We got Lee from CJD Equipment, how are you, Lee?
Good.
Perfect, perfect. So look, we might start with you, Guy. Why don't you share with everybody at home a little bit about yourself and MGM and how things have been going up here in Brisbane?
I'm a civil engineer. I've been a civil engineer for 20 years, and 4 years ago I teamed up with Mick and Neville, created MGN, and yeah, we've been doing all sorts of tricky projects since then,
Yeah.
rock walls, land reclamation and the likes.
Perfect.
It's been a good run. No, we've sort of adapted our fleet to suit that, and yeah, we sort of work anywhere up and down the coast to do it. So.
Fantastic, fantastic. So Mick, how's things been going on your side, mate? What's your role in the business and how have things been going?
Yeah, going great. I run the business day to day, I guess. Oversee the site supervisors and project managers in the land reclamation, dredging, rock wall sector of our company.
Perfect. So what are the main kind of challenges that you guys face on your day to day as opposed to, I guess, a normal sort of bulk earth moving company?
Conditions, weather, cells, systems, considering we're on the water, whether it be a ship or a rock wall, we obviously encounter the conditions on the water. It affects us on the land reclamation. We're always doing something that's in soft or wet conditions, and weather's probably one of our biggest problems.
Perfect, mate, perfect. So I guess in terms of machinery, I mean, you guys are looking around, there's a lot of beautiful Volvos around the place. How's that been going, and why have you sort of chosen to go down that road?
Volvos, we turned to the Volvo trucks and excavators probably 7 years ago now, and they've been an excellent product for us. They're probably the best in the soft and sand conditions.
Yeah.
So Volvo dump trucks were always the benchmark, and Volvo got on our back and said try one of our excavators, and reluctantly we did, and we've never looked back.
Awesome.
It's been a very, very good tool for us.
Awesome, mate, awesome. Well, we might bring Lee in, come in for a chat, bud. Perfect. So what's the relationship now? He's standing right beside you, so you've got to say good things, but how's the relationship been with the guys at MGN Civil?
The relationship's been good. I generally call in and catch up with Guy at the office where, he goes through his tender processes, and, the team are in there, and I'll catch up with Mick as well, site-wise and with regards, their new machinery requirements as and when.
Perfect. So the boys have, I guess, how many Volvos have they got on site out here now?
On site out here, I would say they've probably got maybe 5 or 6, but they've got other stuff on the other side of the port. Awesome. They've got other machines up the coast as well.
So how many jobs do you guys normally have on the go at any given time?
Oh, it ebbs and flows. We've just come out of our biggest period where we had about 8, I think, running concurrently.
Wow. Okay.
That's just dropped back a little bit with a couple coming off, but we've probably got, at the moment, we've got about 5 running, I'd say.
Perfect. So what do you want to share with everyone, I guess, where we are today, because this is a pretty significant job for you guys?
Yeah, so we're out at the Port of Brisbane at the moment. We've sort of effectively been working for the Port of Brisbane non-stop for 4 years now, doing all sorts of things, doing their land reclamation. The trucks in the background you can see behind us, they're sort of preparing for the upcoming dredge season, which starts in a couple of days' time, and that'll run through until April at this stage, we think. In addition to that, we're also doing ground improvement for the Port of Brisbane, where we're installing wick drains and bulk earthworks as well. So,
excellent, excellent. Yeah. So guys and girls, it's been an awesome opportunity to pop up here and catch up with the guys from MGM. Thanks for having us on site, lads. Great to see you.
No problem.
And for everybody at home, thanks so much for tuning in for another Earth Moving Equipment magazine case study. Make sure you stay really safe on site, and we'll catch you soon.